Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Alessandro. Please like and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing a question that a lot of parents might have of babies or young children. When should the first visit to the dentist be for my child? And what I'm going to say is that a lot of pediatric dentists will say that it should be either when the first tooth comes into the mouth or around age 1. I would say that's not a bad idea. That's a pretty good idea. You don't want to wait till ages 5, 6, 7, or 8 or any time later than that, because there can already be rampant decay, cavities, lots of big problems that could have been caught beforehand. So you probably want to err to the side of caution, and sometime between the ages of 1 and 2 are good times to come in. Bring your child with you, and that way either a general dentist or a pediatric dentist can give information to you about what to expect. Some of the pieces of information that can be given, of course, are when teeth are expected to come into the mouth. So some basics about that. But the other really important things that can be provided for you, the parents, are, first of all, what kind of diet is important? Well, you always want to make sure you're providing, the right things for your kids. But of course, you need to know some nutritional information. For example, one thing you definitely don't want to do, you definitely don't want to, put a child to bed with a bottle of milk or juice or something like that, because that can cause rampant cavities in teeth, and we've seen it, baby bottle decay. So you want to avoid doing that. But you also kind of want to know, and information that we dentists can provide you. You got to be wary of certain foods and drinks. I talk about stuff in my gnarly drinks video about how much sugar is in stuff. Kids' juices have a lot of sugar in them. You'd be surprised at how much. And even if you're cutting it with water, which is a good idea, by the way, there's still a lot of sugar in it. And so you always have to make sure that the kids' teeth are wiped down and cleaned afterwards, or a lot of water is used to rinse it all out, because otherwise that stuff's going to stick to teeth and cause cavities. Just because a kid's juice says that it has a lot of nutrition, well, it might have a lot of vitamins, it might have some vitamins, it might have some nutritional value, but Mountain Dew has orange juice in it, and I can tell you that because it's right on the bottle. So you might find some nutritional value in the juices that kids drink, but you can also find some nutritional value in Mountain Dew as well, if you know what I mean. So that said, that's one thing. The other thing is, in fact, the hygiene. What should you be doing to take care of the teeth? So they're probably going to say use something wet, some sort of wet brush, gently brush along the teeth, or a cloth or something. I've heard many different things, but whatever you do, you have to try to keep those teeth wiped off or clean. So, whenever you're giving, baby food or juice or whatever afterwards, rinse with water if you can, and gently brush with baby toothpaste, because there are baby and infant toothpaste out there, and pediatric children's toothpaste as well with no fluoride. So you want to go ahead and do that and keep the teeth clean, because it's very important. You want to avoid, cavities at an early stage, when kids' teeth are growing into the mouth. So that said, hopefully this video has been helpful. That's what to expect for a first visit to the dentist with your child. And hope you're all staying well and healthy. Thank you for joining me.